summer. I wanted to send you this video. It's your engine running. Had her started today. Runs very smooth. Gonna be doing some fine tuning on it, but finally got past the major roadblock. Happy Thanksgiving. Here we go. Got another brand new Atomic 4 all rebuilt. This is one that I put in a boat about 12 years ago, and she came back to me. Here with the owners of it today, doing our test run. And this one is set up for freshwater cooling. So it has a raw water circulating pump that's been added in right underneath the alternator and above the regular pump. And you can see that pedestal pump sitting there spinning. Right now we have it circulating water into a bucket, but on the boat that'll pull the raw water in, run it through a heat exchanger, send it back out the exhaust. And then the regular pump is a coolant circulating pump, goes to the exchanger. And you can hear it running very smooth, just purring for us today. And come on around here, we can see the normal stuff all hooked up and ready to roll. And we're going to replace the distributor which is in it with the electronic ignition hood. So with that, we turn and look over at the happy owners. And there they are, yes, looking, smiling, happy. And there's my wife going on by, and there's our other owner and my big old truck. Okay, that's it.